हमारी कॉफ़ी आ गई है जो कि वाइल्ड कैट के पूप से बनी हुई है।
This one is a luwak poop like this. The animal.
जनाब ये वो जंगली बिल्ली है जिसको लुवाक कहते हैं। तो इसका बेसिकली ये जो पूप होता है इससे कॉफ़ी बनती है। Let's give it a try. अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। कैसे हम लोग सब? मेरा मतमान है। आज की वीडियो जो है ना बड़ी ही अनयूजुअल होने वाली है एज़ यूजुअल क्योंकि मैं आप लोगों को आज ऐसी कॉफ़ी दिखाऊंगा जो कि एक जंगली बिल्ली की पॉटी से बनती है या पूप से बनती है। आपने शायद ये आज तक ना सुना हो, लेकिन हाँ ऐसा होता है इंडोनेशिया वाली में कि जो कॉफ़ी है वो बेसिकली बिल्ली की पूप से बनी जाती है। I have with me Eva. Thank you so much for coming.
It's my pleasure.
I was telling them that this is a very unusual place where in the world where the coffee is made from the wild cat poop.
Yes.
Is it right?
Yes, this is correct. So this is we call luwak coffee, which is our expensive coffee in the world.
It's the most expensive coffee in the world. Yeah.
Exactly.
So one cup is like costing how much?
If in here it's still like around like $6 for one cup.
Okay, okay.
If in here, but in outside it can be more.
It's more. Okay, okay. Thank you so much. तो देख लें कि ये जो है ना बड़ी अनयूजुअल सी चीज़ है। इट्स द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव कॉफ़ी इन द वर्ल्ड, बट हियर एज़ फार एज़ यहाँ पे बनती है तो इसलिए चीप है, $6 की है।
Okay. And this is building which is we call the Balai Dangin or like the East building. So if like someone died, so we put their body here before we going to the cemetery.
Okay,
And then
okay,
if I
okay.
have the human ceremony like someone married, we do it also here.
Okay, this place.
Yes. This
So life and death
yes.
is here. Okay, okay. So I mean in the marriage ceremony.
The ceremony we do it like actually normally just only one, but they make two. So actually just only one building like this.
Okay,
And then the body before we going to the cemetery will be put here
in this place.
in that one.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
we just
okay.
lay down in over there with a lot of the offering. After that, we do give going to the cemetery together by walking.
Okay, okay, okay.
And then if like someone have a baby, yeah, they have the ceremony for baby or be the human like someone married, we doing also in this building.
Okay, interesting to know.
Yes.
तो आपने जिस तरह के मतलब इवा ने बताया कि यहाँ पे अगर कोई मर जाता है तो उसका जो है वो जनाजा बेसिकली यहाँ पे लेके आया जाता है। उसके बाद फिर आगे जो है वो जलने के लिए लेके जाया जाता है, और उसके बाद शादी और अगर किसी का बच्चा होता है तो उस टाइप की सेरेमनी भी ये लोग यहीं पे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। तो व्हाट्स एग्जैक्टली दिस एरिया कॉल्ड?
Balai Dangin.
बैले टर्निंग, ठीक है। ये बेसिकली इस एरिया का नाम है। तो यहाँ पे देख लें इट्स एक्चुअली कल्चरल, थोड़ा सा ज़रा इन्होंने रिलीजियस टच भी दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे। ओके, दैट्स अ कैट राइट, लुवाक।
Yes, that is luwak.
ओके
This is
ओके
this will be the poo you got will
Okay,
be.
okay,
But
okay.
they are eat the not only the for coffee only, but they will be eat the papaya, banana, and the other fruits.
ओके ओके। तो जनाब ये वो जंगली बिल्ली है जिसको लुवाक कहते हैं। तो इसका बेसिकली ये जो पूप होता है इससे कॉफ़ी बनती है। So here, I mean, they're just not eating the beans; they eat everything. And
Everything.
whatever comes in the poop, that's the coffee.
No, just only for the bean. But
Ah,
they will
okay.
be choosing the bean when they are snowman is not very well.
Okay.
So that's why they will be eat the bean in the wild area. But they also the finding like some papaya or banana if they find it. But just only when they are not very well, they will be eat the coffee. Same like us.
Okay.
If you so dizzy, okay, I need for coffee for more stronger.
Okay, okay.
Now I will to explain to you. They have a Java coffee.
Java coffee, okay.
Yes, this is Java coffee. Apa bedanya Java sama Robusta, Mbak?
Di daunnya bentuknya beda.
So the what is the make different the Robusta and Java, which is from the leaf. So you can see this is the Robusta and then this Java. Java is more the bigger leaf they have it.
Okay, okay.
And then if we know that will be harvest, the color of the coffee is will be red color. This
Okay.
is still green, right? This is still
Yeah.
baby. So this is not ready yet. We must waiting the red one.
Okay, so these cats basically consume this beans?
Yes, but the color is must red.
Must be red,
Yeah,
okay, as you
because
say.
they eat they eating the skin only because the
Okay.
skin is like a lychee, it's sweet. it's juicy.
Understood.
But for me, it's not. But for cat, I think yes.
अच्छा, तो ये जो जंगली बिल्ली है जिसको लुवाक कहते हैं बेसिकली, तो ये जब बीन्स जो है ना वो रेड हो जाते हैं तब कंज्यूम करते हैं.
Oh, so like this.
हाँ, ओके.
But it's more become be red. So if more become be red, it's more sweet for the cat. So they will be eating the red one, not the
ओके,
green one.
अंडरस्टूड. ओके, तो जब ये रेड हो जाता है ना बीन, तब वो लोग कंज्यूम करते हैं क्योंकि ये मीठा होता है. ओके,
But they
ग्रेट.
just eat the skin only.
द स्किन ओनली.
Yes, not the
ओके
bean. The
So
bean
ये-
they just like fermentate in the stomach.
ओके ओके ओके. तो बेसिकली ये छिलका खाते हैं सिर्फ.
And then this is, it's the vanilla.
वनीला. ओके.
Yes, so this is the vanilla look like. But
Very
for the
good.
harvest vanilla, it can be take like 2 years.
ओके ओके ओके, ग्रेट. ये जो जंगली बिल्ली जैसे लुवाक कहते हैं, बेसिकली ये जो रेड कॉफ़ी बीन्स होते हैं उसका छिलका ऐसे कभी नहीं खाती जब तक कि वो बीमार ना हो. तो इन लोगों को प्रॉपर वेट करना पड़ता है कि ये जो है बिल्ली बीमार हो, अनवेल हो, और उसके बाद फिर ये जो है ना वो बीन्स देते हैं, सर्व करते हैं जब ये रेड हो जाते हैं. और वो रेड बीन्स का छिलका खाकर फिर ये इस तरीके की कॉफ़ी बनती है. ऐसा नहीं होता कि मतलब ये जो है वो रोज़ाना के हिसाब से ये खाती हैं और रोज़ाना के हिसाब से जो है ना ये पोटियाँ करके कॉफ़ी देती नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता. इसका जो है ना काफ़ी वेट करना पड़ता है इन लोगों को. जब तक बीमार होती है बिल्ली तब तक ये जो है वेट करते हैं, और उसके बाद फिर जो है वो रेड बीन्स खा के पोटी के थ्रू ये कॉफ़ी निकलती है और उसके बाद ये बनी जाती है, जिसकी वजह से आई थिंक ये बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है. और यही वजह है कि ये बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है क्योंकि इसकी प्रोडक्शन बहुत ही ज़्यादा लिमिटेड है.
Okay, so now we'll come. I give it to her to explain
Okay.
more.
Okay.
You can have this one. This one is a luwak poop like this, the animal poop.
Okay. Okay. The
Luwak-
fresh one, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Luwak
Very good.
only sucks, not chewy the coffee beans.
Okay. Very
and
good.
then we wash and we dry. After that, we separate like this, and then we peel it the skin one by hand, like this one.
Okay. Okay.
This
Interesting.
one.
Okay,
And
can I
then,
see?
Yes. And then we wash again with hot water and we dry in the sun.
Okay.
After that, we roast it.
Okay.
Until
Okay.
the dark brown, brown 40 minutes until 1 hour, and then we grind it.
Okay. Okay. So first is like
Roasting.
cooking, roasting. Okay. And then after roasting, you grind it. It's all manual, no machines.
No machines.
Okay. Great.
And the final step we sieve is like an instant powder.
Oh wow! And it looks like coca powder, I believe. The same color.
Just same colors. Maybe you
Okay.
can smell.
Okay. It doesn't taste like coffee.
This is a normally Bali coffee.
Okay, okay, okay. Maybe in taste, I will feel it.
Bali coffee have a strong taste.
Ah, okay,
Maybe
okay.
later
Okay.
you
Can I
can
smell it again?
Yes. Later you can compare Luwak coffee and Bali coffee at the table.
Okay. It has a unique smell, basically.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Very nice. Hello.
So now you can be sitting and then just enjoy about all tasting they give it.
Very nice. Very
If
nice.
you have any question, you can ask to me or to the staff. Okay?
श्योर 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 श्योर. चले भाई, अब कॉफ़ी टेस्ट करते हैं. बेसिकली आपने वो प्रोसेस देखा है किस तरीके से मतलब ये कॉफ़ी बनती है, तो अब हम बैठेंगे और टेस्ट करेंगे.
You can sitting in here and I sit over there.
This is the Luwak coffee, very nice.
Yes.
And this is
Bali, the normal
the
one.
one that we
Try.
had it before. Okay. Okay.
This is so warm here.
Yeah, it's. Is there any place where I can just throw my chewing gum?
The
Chewing gum. I need to throw it.
like
Yeah.
okay.
Okay.
So here's hi pussy.
Very nice. So many of them. Okay, so what is this? Is what?
This one's turmeric.
Turmeric tea. So they have
Okay.
the name actually here.
Ah, okay. Sorry.
Yes. So and then for more information about that, what is the benefit, you
Okay.
can reading in here.
Very good, very good.
Yes.
Okay. Where is the coffee?
This one
She's making.
making, yes.
Okay, okay.
It's not too instant.
Okay, they have to
have
make
the
it like cafes.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Oh, this is the aku apa ya? Aku green yang green tea ini dah macam aneh.
I cannot try all. It's too much.
Try this one's a free tester.
Yeah, I know, but I mean it's too much. Okay. So first of all, the peanut coffee. This is made from peanuts.
Yes.
Okay.
You need, I can help you.
Okay. Thank you. It's like a hazelnut coffee.
Hazelnut.
Yeah, more like hazelnut.
I'm more put closer, yeah.
It's nice.
Cocoa.
Cocoa.
Yeah.
That's nice. It's like more like hot chocolate.
Oh my god.
Really nice. And how do they make the color brown?
Because they are mixed with the milk.
Okay.
And then you must do doing with the godo. That is called godo. This is like the fried banana.
The fried banana.
Yes.
Okay. Whatever I taste is good. हमारी कॉफ़ी आ गई है ये वाली और जो कि वाइल्ड कैट के पूप से बनी हुई है. I don't know if I should drink or not because if I think about how it's made, let's give it a try. It's just like a normal coffee. I mean,
And then compare with the Bali coffee, the normal one.
oh, it's very nice. बिल्कुल भी नहीं लग रहा कि ये जो है किसी बिल्ली के पूप से बनी हुई है. Doesn't feel like it's made from the poop at all. Can I just show them closer?
Yes.
जनाब ये तो बिल्कुल किसी नॉर्मल कॉफ़ी की तरह लग रही है. ठीक है, इसका टेस्ट वेस्ट बिल्कुल मतलब कोई वो ऐसा नहीं है कि ये कोई भी हीक आ रही हो या मतलब कोई ऐसा टेस्ट हो जिससे घिनाए. बिल्कुल नॉर्मल कॉफ़ी की तरह है. How this started basically? How did you guys come up with the idea? Not you, I mean your all
Yeah, but
the generations before.
About the why is kenapa bisa buat luwak kopi? Kenapa?
susah sih kalau itu.
Oh, susah.
Saya jarang banyak.
Okay.
Okay, you know that I know the answer.
What's the answers? Because we have a lot of that's the wild animal here.
Okay.
And then just only the locals see it like why the coffee is gone maybe, and then they saw it in the floor. I don't know, like in the ground. So that's
Okay.
why they try to figure out how to can be use it for the coffee because
Okay.
that's the luwak. They are eating the coffee, the normal coffee.
Okay.
So that's why like when they are do it like a cleaning and all like so that is can be use it also
As a
for
coffee.
the more better coffee.
Okay, very good, very good.
So that's why.
Of course, there will be a lot of stories, but what I actually read on internet is because when in the colonial time before, they were not letting people to harvest coffee at that time. The locals, they were just harvesting for them,
Okay.
and then the local came up with this idea. So I don't know if this is true or story.
For that is I never heard yet.
Okay.
But some of the who has the coffee plantation, I'm asking why you have it. That's the idea because my client also same question, and then they are saying because that's the animal is the wild,
Okay.
and then
okay.
they eating a lot of the coffee because they are so hungry.
Okay.
Instead of the banana or papaya,
Okay.
they're finding some the red one. So that's why the local farmer also like why is the our coffee is a lot of gone like that.
Okay.
And then they saw the shampoo, which is
Okay.
similar like coffee.
Okay,
So that's why they
okay.
try to figure out how
Okay,
can the
okay,
manage this
okay.
one.
I mean, it's a really nice experience to be honest. It doesn't feel like it's coming from that part. It was a nice experience. Thank you so much for all of this coffee. I actually I wish I can taste all, but my stomach is
Little bit bumpy.
Yeah,
a lot of
little
things.
bumpy.
Yeah. A lot of things we tried today.
exactly. But I really like the coffee. It's very nice.
Actually, the luwak coffee, the taste is more smoother.
इंडोनेशिया का मैं आपको बताऊं कि ये इतना बड़ा मुल्क है और हर जगह पे कुछ ना कुछ स्ट्रेंज और कुछ ना कुछ यूनिक चीज़ आपको मिल जाएगी. तो ये देखें आप, इसका कोई अंदाज़ा भी नहीं लगा सकता कि ये जो है बीन्स उसकी पूप से निकले हुए हैं, और आगे देखें इसको जो है वो प्रोसेस करते हैं ये लोग बिल्कुल. तो कोई बंदा सोच भी नहीं सकता. पे काफ़ी कॉफ़ीज़ जो है हमने टेस्ट की थी, बेसिकली वो फ्लेवर्ड कॉफ़ी और टी बेसिकली. तो मुझे यहाँ पे पसंद आई है मैंगोस्टीन टी, उसके बहुत सारे बेनिफिट भी हैं. तो अभी जो है हम यहाँ पे लेंगे. बेसिकली उसका दो रीज़न्स हैं बेसिकली. एक तो ये कि चलो यहाँ की कम्युनिटी या यहाँ के फार्मर्स को एक सपोर्ट भी हो जाएगी, और दूसरा ये कि मुझे ख़ुद भी टेस्ट पसंद आया था. वैसे तो ये बाहर से भी मिल जाती है और कम पैसों में. मैं यहाँ से लेना चाह रहा हूँ बेसिकली. तो ऑलमोस्ट मेरे ख़्याल में 1.5 लाख यहाँ के रुपये बनते हैं, जो कि सऊदीया के तकरीबन 25-30 रियाल बने ऑलमोस्ट. और USD में अगर बात करें तो मेरे ख़्याल में कोई 5-6 USD इस तरीके से. What you were telling me from here, or
This way.
she was telling me that I always like the crazy stuff.
You're just walking, but this is the direction.
Okay. चलें, आप सब लोगों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया ये वीडियो एंड तक देखने के लिए. आज का जो है वो टॉपिक बड़ा यूनिक सा था, तो इस व्लॉग को जो है वो यहीं पे एंड करते हैं. उम्मीद है कि आप लोगों को ये एक अनयूजुअल सा और एक यूनिक सा व्लॉग और एक इन्फॉर्मेशन जो है वो पसंद आई होगी. आई रियली थैंक यू फॉर एवरीथिंग यू हैव डन, and God bless you.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Anyway, I was so happy to assist you in Bali, and then I can showing what's actually we as a local do it in here. I'm so happy actually to telling you all the story and the place, or like some tips what you must to do in here as you are solo travel.
Yeah.
And then for you guys, if you are coming to Bali and you are solo travel, even like man or woman, you are, don't worry about that, because you will be safe. And then in here, for us the local Balinese local, they are so friendly, and then just let they know what that you need. If you have any question, just asking there. They will be very open.
Thank you so much. Thank you. It was really worth it, and I'm glad that I met you, and I'm really glad that each and every minute of the journey was really worth it. The information that you gave me. So thank you so much. I will definitely see you again.
Oh, thank you so much.
चलें भाई, अपना ख्याल रखें. अल्लाह हाफिज़.